Raining Baldwin. Raining and Baldwin. If I go out, I don't know if it's safe or not. When I go, no wait, the umbrella's taken. So that freaking cat. Oh, I never got that close to her. Max Schizo. Share. Short video as usual. Subscribe or like. My phone just made a busy phone. Oh, you see my dogs. Me? I guess that's me. Hello, doggy. Hello, Tinky. Hello, Poncho. Hello, Blanket. Hello, sweet dollar bill. That's so good. Hello, Thunder. If you can hear that. Hello, Jacket. Hello, table that has mess on it always. Hello, ugly fridge. This is my grandma's house. Hello, nasty old kitchen. Isn't this living the horrible life? Computer room time. Ba, 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 ba. I really need to get some more sound effects on this. Where's the app? That's all my mess. The calendar has a kingdom on it. And apparently that's a sundown. Share. Oh, say hello to Orca. Orca will probably be in my videos. I know I'm 10 years old and I have stuffed animals. Don't judge me, okay? Orca, say goodbye to them. Yeah, I know you hate me.